The internet, a tool that has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate, has reached a critical point in its evolution. The amount of information generated and shared on the network is overwhelming, and the speed at which it is produced is dizzying. In this context, artificial intelligence (AI) has emerged as a key tool for processing and analyzing this information, and for making decisions based on it. But what happens when AI begins to take control? What does this mean for our online future? And how can we ensure that AI is used in a responsible and beneficial way for society? AI has been present on the internet for decades, but in recent years, it has experienced exponential growth. The world's largest tech companies, such as Google, Facebook, and Amazon, are investing billions of dollars in AI development. This has led to the creation of increasingly sophisticated algorithms, capable of learning and adapting to new situations. However, this growth has also raised new challenges, such as the need to ensure the transparency and explainability of algorithms, and to prevent the spread of false information and the manipulation of public opinion. How can we ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way on the internet? AI is capable of processing vast amounts of data and making decisions in fractions of a second. This makes it ideal for tasks such as content moderation, product recommendation, and personalized advertising. However, this capability also raises risks, such as the possibility that AI will perpetuate existing biases and stereotypes in society. For example, if a product recommendation algorithm is trained on data that reflects gender or racial biases, it is likely that the algorithm will perpetuate those biases in its recommendations. How can we ensure that AI is designed and trained in a way that avoids perpetuating biases and stereotypes? AI is also changing the way we create and consume art. Algorithms can generate music, images, and texts that are indistinguishable from those created by humans. This has led to the creation of new forms of art, such as generative music and automated poetry. However, it has also raised questions about authorship and creativity in the age of AI. Who is the author of a work of art generated by an algorithm? Is it the programmer who designed the algorithm, or is it the algorithm itself? How can we redefine our understanding of creativity and authorship in the age of AI? AI is also being used to generate content on social media. Bots can create posts, comments, and messages that appear to have been written by humans. This has led to the creation of new forms of marketing and advertising, but it has also raised risks for online security and privacy. For example, bots can be used to spread false information or manipulate public opinion. How can we distinguish between content generated by humans and content generated by bots? How can we protect our online security and privacy in the age of AI? In the world of advertising and marketing, AI has revolutionized the way companies interact with their customers. AI can help companies create more effective and personalized content, which can increase customer conversion and loyalty. However, it also raises risks, such as the possibility that AI will perpetuate existing biases and stereotypes in society. For example, if an advertising algorithm is trained on data that reflects gender or racial biases, it is likely that the algorithm will perpetuate those biases in its ads. How can we ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way in advertising and marketing? The spread of false information and the manipulation of public opinion are just some of the risks associated with AI. AI can be used to create and disseminate false information on a large scale, which can have serious consequences for society. For example, misinformation about health can lead to the spread of diseases, while misinformation about politics can lead to the manipulation of public opinion. How can we protect the integrity of information in the age of AI? How can we ensure that the information we consume is accurate and reliable? AI is a powerful tool that can be used to improve society, but it can also be used to manipulate and control people. AI can be used to monitor and analyze human behavior, which can lead to the creation of detailed profiles of each individual. This can be used for legitimate purposes, such as personalized advertising, but it can also be used for malicious purposes, such as manipulating public opinion. How can we ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way? How can we protect our online security and privacy in the age of AI? AI is a reality that is already here, and its impact on society is becoming increasingly significant. AI can be used to improve efficiency and productivity in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. However, it also raises important challenges, such as job loss and the need to retrain workers. How can we prepare for the future of AI? How can we ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits everyone, not just a few? The future of humanity is closely tied to the development of artificial intelligence. The way we choose to use this technology will determine the course of history. We can create a future in which technology helps us improve our lives, or we can allow it to control us. The choice is ours. What kind of future do we want to create? Do we want a future in which technology helps us solve humanity's most complex problems, or do we want a future in which technology controls and limits us? The responsibility for creating a better future rests with us, humans. We must be aware of the risks and benefits of artificial intelligence and make informed decisions about how to use this technology. We must consider the ethical and moral implications of creating machines that can think and act autonomously. We must ask ourselves what kind of society we want to create and how we can use technology to achieve that goal. The answer to these questions will determine the course of history and the future of humanity. Ultimately, the key to creating a better future lies in finding a balance between technology and humanity. We must learn to use technology in a way that helps us improve our lives, but without losing sight of our fundamental values and principles. We must be aware that technology is just a tool, and it is our responsibility to use it in a responsible and ethical way. By doing so, we can create a future in which technology helps us reach our full potential, and in which humanity can thrive in harmony with technology. The AI invasion has begun, and it's time for us to prepare for the future. We can't stop the progress of technology, but we can choose how we use it. We can choose to create a future in which technology helps us improve our lives, or we can allow it to control us. The choice is ours. Are you ready to join the revolution and see how AI can change your life? The future of humanity is in our hands. It's time for us to take control and create a future in which technology helps us thrive, rather than control us. The choice is ours. What kind of future do we want to create?